Hey folks, as we are exploring latest AI tools on daily basis, and recently we have discovered a fantastic way for you to evaluate multiple state-of-the-art large language models on a single platform. Introducing ChatLLM by Abacus AI, an all-in-one AI assistant. This AI offers access to various cutting-edge language models like ChatGPT-4, ChatGPT-4o, Gemini, and many more. Now we can interact with extensive PDF documents, create charts and images, write code, analyze data, and more. Additionally, you can develop your own AI agent and deploy it into production. The best part is its compatibility with third-party integrations such as Slack, Google Drive, and Teams, making it extremely convenient and efficient. Without further ado, let's dive into exploring ChatLLM. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First of all, open your web browser and search ChatLLM, then hit the very first provided link, and it will take us to the official page. You can see it's the official page, and here various features have been highlighted as we can do various things with this AI tool. Let's log in and explore its numerous potentials. Here, let's choose Google account to log in. Once selected, then we will land on official page. This interface looks beautiful and user-friendly. As we said earlier, we can use numerous AI tools in single platform, and here you can see the most popular AI tools like ChatGPT-4, ChatGPT-4o, Claude Opus, and more. So it's very simple to get response on your concerns from multiple AI tools under the single platform. Let's select one of the chatbot and begin our interactions with it. Let's choose ChatGPT-4o and ask about the research methodologies. And here you can see a comprehensive outcome has been generated by this AI tool using, and the chatbot we have used is ChatGPT-4o. You can go through this text and learn more about the research methodologies. If in case you want to extract some other information, then you can switch for other AI tool. Let's try Claude Opus for the same question. Once pasted the same question here is the response, which is a comprehensive in nature. Now you can read both the responses and learn more about your concern. So, using Abacus AI ChatLLM, it's very simple to switch between most popular AI tools. Once you are done with generating the text, it is simple to download it as PDF or as Word document by just clicking here. Besides, the same manuscript can be shared with anyone by just generating shareable links. Let's discuss the other features. Abacus AI ChatLLM allows to interact with our PDF documents. So, let's suppose we have this academic paper, and it talks about the design and application of technology-based courses in the mathematics classroom. This is quite a lengthy article, and using this platform, we can interact with it in a single click of a button. First, let's upload the PDF paper in the platform, and then type our concern. At this point, we need to keep in consideration that we can switch between AI tools and select as per our need. For this particular task, we will go with ChatGPT-4o, as we are interested in generating summary of the paper. Let's type, and here we have a comprehensive summary. You can go through this text as it has extracted key points. The response begins with the introduction of the paper, and further it discusses theoretical disconnect followed by course design, population methodologies, and it ends with conclusion followed by future research recommendations. So in this way, we can interact with our academic papers using Abacus AI ChatLLM. Now let's discuss the other essential features. Using the same platform, we can extract information from images. Let's suppose we have this image, and it talks about Newton's law of inertia. So, let's upload the picture and we will ask some relevant questions. Suppose we want this AI tool to explain this image to us. Once typed here is the response, you can see it extracted some relevant information about the uploaded picture. In this way, we can use Abacus AI ChatLLM for various purposes. In the same way, this platform can be used to create codes in various formats. Let's suppose this time we are interested in creating a Python code for basic calculator to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Once hit, here you go. The Python codes for calculator to perform numerous operations. So, ChatLLM Abacus AI can be used for various purposes, and it allows to use most popular AI tools in one platform. Let's discuss some essential and unique feature of this AI tool. Now, you can effortlessly add others to your teams by going to the Invite Users section. There, you can invite people to access the ChatLLM, allowing them to chat with all the models and use the custom chatbots you've created. Besides, Abacus AI makes it easy to share your tasks and chatbots with different users. For example, we can connect to popular applications like Teams, Google Drive, and more. This way, users can interact with your chatbots directly through their preferred communication platforms. And here comes the best part. Using ChatLLM Abacus AI, we can generate our own custom chatbots and AI agents. In order to do so, let's hit Add New Chatbots, and a separate tab will be opened. Here, we can see numerous team members has created their own chatbots and AI agents. Let's hit Create New, and here we have got two different options. It depends on us whether we want to create custom chatbots or AI agents. Select one and continue to create these in a few clicks. We will create a comprehensive video on this in near future, but this time you must learn ChatLLM Abacus AI can be used for these purposes. Here comes the time to discuss the price of this astonishing AI tool. This might blow your mind, as Abacus AI tool is available for $10 only. This is really amazing since it allows you to use numerous AI tools in single platform. We don't need to purchase each AI tool, however. Purchasing Abacus AI will solve our all issues. The price is really astonishing since ChatGPT-4, ChatGPT-4o, Gemini, and various other expensive AI tools can be accessed using this AI tool at $10 only. Most importantly, you can use this AI free for initial month. This AI tool provides best offer ever. ChatLLM by Abacus AI tool has various features, and we have discussed a few of them. Try this AI tool and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Besides, don't forget to subscribe Guru Tech Solutions for more AI-related content. See you in next video. Bye.